Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's make a salmon teriyaki. So now guys, I'm using some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm just dusting that season all over the fish, all over my salmon. Just making sure that each salmon, get a little dusting. I'll also be going in with some Old Bay seasoning. Some black pepper. And some chopped garlic. And for the main ingredient, the teriyaki sauce. Now guys, this was obviously store-bought, so I'm just drizzling a good amount of that sauce over the salmon, and I'm just making sure that each piece is based with that sauce. Now I'll be putting that sauce in a baking tray. And I'll just be pouring the remaining sauce all over that salmon. Now I'll be baking this at a temperature at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. So guys, for my size, I'll be steaming some rice, pumpkin rice to be exact. So I'll just be cutting up my pumpkin to go in my rice. So guys, now that the water has reduced from my rice, I'm just gonna cover it back and let it steam for an additional 15 minutes until it's tender. So guys, our pumpkin rice is finally ready and ready to be eaten. But before we do that, I'll be sauteing some vegetables. But guys, really, look how shelly my rice is. Can y'all see how shelly that is? Okay, I know you guys see that. So guys, for my vegetables, I'm just adding about a tablespoon of butter in a skillet. Then I'll be sauteing some chopped garlic just until it's fragrant. Then I'll be adding my vegetables, and the vegetables that I'm using, I think it's a green giant. It consists of carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower. I'll also be adding some salt and black pepper just to taste. And guys, it's all ready. Now we're plating our salmon. Look at that salmon, so yummy. Yes, yeah. And to top that off, I'm just adding a sliced lemon. And guys, this is the end of my video. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Like, share, comment, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.